WhatsApp linked devices not working, how to fix. So if your linked devices feature is not working on WhatsApp, there are many ways to fix it. So first, on your primary device from where you're trying to link the device, make sure that the internet connection is quite stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. So the first thing is that you need to make sure it is the primary WhatsApp from where you're trying to link it. Second thing is you can go to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and you want to check if the app has an update available, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're using WhatsApp on Android, long press WhatsApp app icon, then tap on this I button that says App Info to come to the App Info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then you can go to Storage and you can choose to clear the cache files. Do not clear the data because that will reset your chats if you have not backed it up. Now the next thing you want to do is try to open up WhatsApp again, then tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side and try to go to linked devices section. If there are any deactive or non-active devices over here which is inactive, you can select that and first log out of those devices. Then after that, tap on link a device and unlock the device and scan the QR code again, and that should definitely help you solve the problem. Hopefully this video helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.